Well, hello everybody, this is Ali with Ali So Crafty. So I don't know if you are familiar with packing cubes, but if you are a traveler, if you've traveled frequently, or if you know a frequent traveler, you have probably heard of packing cubes, which are these amazing bags that you put inside your luggage to keep everything separated and organized. So when you're, traveling and you have to open your luggage, things don't go flying everywhere, right? Well, there is this other thing called compressed packing cubes, which is pretty much a packing cube, but then it has like an extra zipper that it squeezes everything to like half the size. So you can fit more, in case you're traveling for a long period of time or you have to bring a lot of things with you. These packing cubes squeeze everything in half. And I'm going to show you today how to make one of those. So here it is, the compressed packing cube. Now, it starts like a regular packing cube, right? Very simple. You have your top, your bottom, and your side panel, and a zipper. Now, the compressed packing cubes have an extra zipper, and that could actually be a little bit intimidating for some people because zippers can be intimidating, let's be honest. But not for this pattern. This was so easy to make. I could not believe it. So when you open your packing cube, right, you have all the space. And then you already packed it. You close your zipper, right? And now let's compress it. So what we do is that we close the other zipper here. And you close it like that. Of course, it's empty, so it's gonna be a little, tricky to close, but there it is. There it is, you guys. So do not let the double zipper intimidate you, thinking that it is gonna be super difficult to make, because it is not. All you need really is lightweight fabric. So this is it's called ripstop, and it's like a polyester fabric. It's waterproof, it's lightweight, and that's it, and zipper and thread. So let me show you in this video how I made the packing cube, the compressed packing cube, and that's it, you guys. Let me know, share with me in the comments below what you think about it, if it was easy for you to make it, if it's something that you will make more of. I personally can tell you I will make tons of these because I can actually make them bigger and store my winter clothing during the summer, my summer clothing during the winter, and for traveling, of course, for packing my luggage. And also follow me on Instagram and tag me after you make yours so that I can see how yours look. Okay, and my handle for my Instagram account is down below. Okay, you guys, thank you so much for watching, and here are the instructions for you. I have the top and bottom pieces, the zipper panel, which is this one. The zipper panel goes around that. The top zipper panel, the binding, it's very long pieces of binding. So I cut 2 long strips of binding at 3/4 of an inch by like 60 inches long, so 2 of those. So it doesn't have to be biased, but you're gonna need that. There's no lining or interfacing because this material, is waterproof, and the purpose of a packing cube is that they have to be very lightweight. And the 2 zippers. So I have the zipper for the top of the packing cube, which I'm gonna put it right here. The zipper for the bottom, it's a little bit longer than the top zipper. Okay, and I need 3 zipper pulls. So I have 2 for the bottom and 1 for the top. Your regular scissors, fabric scissors, This is polyester thread. You can use 100% cotton thread. It's fine. And a little piece of a 2 by 2.5 the zipper tab. And that's it, you guys. This is everything that you need. Let's get started, okay? And we're going to mark 1 inch. Okay, make sure that you're placing it right at the center of the zipper panel. We're gonna take our Wonder clips, we're gonna clip this together, and we're gonna run it through the sewing machine 1/8 of an inch, just so that we can secure the zipper to the zipper panel. We're going to mark 4.5 inches away from the edge of the zipper panel. We're going to mark 4.5 inches on the top and on the bottom. And we're going to do the same on the actual zipper tape. So from the very edge right there, we're going to mark 4.5. And we're going to align those two markings together so that it's right there. They join together, and you can put a Wonder clip right there. You're going to have leftover zipper, and that it's okay. The zipper panel is actually smaller. Just make sure that when you start stitching, that you stop at 3/4 of an inch from the edge of the zipper panel. That is important. You back stitched right there. And you stitch it all along up to the very end, where you're gonna stop stitching at 3/4 of an inch from the edge of the zipper panel, and you will have leftover zipper. This is important that you know that you don't cut the zipper at the same size as the zipper panel. You should have leftover zipper. Okay, now we are going to attach the zipper pull. For this, I have to kind of close the zipper a little bit, but it's okay. I'm just going to place it right there in the middle, okay? Like you want it to be as close to the middle as possible. And I'm just gonna stitch over it, gonna eyeball it, and just kind of stitch it in place right there. So we're gonna take right sides together. After you add the tab, you have your zipper, you have your tab, you're gonna join them. You don't want to close the zipper panel and leave the zipper, the remainder zipper sticking out. You don't want to do that. No, don't do that. You have to move the zipper in away from the seam. Okay, you're going to take a Wonder clip, and you're going to clip it. You're gonna align your zipper panel edges together. You're going to kind of move the zipper pull away from the edge so that way it doesn't touch the needle. And you're gonna stitch it at a 1/4 inch seam allowance right here. Turn it inside out, open it, and we're going to finish the zipper panel, which is now going to cover this part of the zipper panel that doesn't have a zipper. And we're going to just finish attaching that, the rest of the zipper. And when we get to that point, that marking where it pivots, we're going to pivot the zipper pull to away, okay? So we're gonna kind of pull it up or down. Kind of forming like a 90-degree angle right there at that point. So now we just take it to the sewing machine and we stitch it, as you can see, maybe 1/8 of an inch along the top here. And you can stitch over it the teeth, because this is nylon teeth, so they shouldn't break your needle. And you back stitch right there, and then you do the same at the bottom and back stitch right there. Okay, so here it is, all stitched together. One thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna open the zipper and I'm going to top stitch along the edge here, just so that it can keep the seam in place, so when you open and close the zipper, this doesn't like move around. That helps. It's always good to, you know, kind of secure all the seams in place.